Hi, this is Dennis Hall with learningtemplates.com. Recently I've had a question on how anybody might be able to launch an uploaded or linked e-learning course from LifterLMS using LifterLMS xAPI. So what I've got here is I've got 3 courses that I've uploaded to LifterLMS xAPI. In fact, the first one is a course that is sitting on a different server somewhere else, and the second one is a Storyline xAPI or Tin Can enabled course that was uploaded locally. The third one is a Captivate Tin Can or xAPI enabled course also uploaded locally. Now what's interesting is this is a non-xAPI course, yet because I have linked it, even though the course itself is only published for web, it's not published for Tin Can, even though LifterLMS xAPI is capable of turning even non-Tin Can published courses into Tin Can courses. So you can report that the course was entered. It's very limited, this reporting, but it can be done. So now, the objective of this is of what I'm trying to show you at the moment though, is this. We have 3 e-learning course launch buttons here, and these are sitting in the sidebar of a lesson. So what I want to do, the objective is to show you how to put course launch button or e-learning course launch buttons in a sidebar. So they don't have to be in the content of Lifter, they can actually be in the sidebar. In this case, it's the lessons sidebar that I put them in. So first, let's take a look at what I provide you in LifterLMS xAPI. So right off the bat, when you upload a course or you link a course that's sitting on some other server, I do give you a short code in the actual upload facility. So once you have created or saved the course initially, you can come back and you can update it, and you can copy this shortcode. When you copy this shortcode, it comes with no text. It's basically just a box is all it is, with some default styling, and you can actually go into your CSS and style each box individually if you wish. But let's go ahead and see how to use this. It's really quite simple, and the process is identical whether you have a Tin Can uploaded course or whether you have a course that's linked from another server somewhere else in the world. And the process is also still the same whether that course is an xAPI enabled course or not. So I've copied the shortcode of this third course down, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into Appearance and Widgets. I've already got a course sitting in the Lessons sidebar, so what I'll do is I'll put this one in the footer. I'll put it in footer area 1 just for fun. So all I got to do is put a text widget in, put it in footer area 1, and add the widget. I don't care if I give the text widget a title or not. All I'm going to do is I'm going to paste this. Now, this is going to give me an empty box. So what I want to do is I want to type text equals and give it a title. So my new uploaded e-learning course. Good enough title. Sounds like fun. You can also put in hyperlinks to any images that you have uploaded to your website or anything. So you're pretty flexible. So let's go ahead and let's just save this. And now I put it in the footer. So let's go back to the website. We'll just reload the lesson page because the footer is consistent across the whole website. So it doesn't matter what page we're on. So here we've got those 3. But now if I scroll to the bottom, I have my new uploaded e-learning course. If I click on that, this is a Captivate course, just a default one, nothing special done, and there it goes. So the course has now been viewed. So now what I can do is I can go to my dashboard in LifterLMS xAPI, and I can go to the demo, and I can see that Dennis Hall completed Captivate e-learning course 10 seconds ago. Let's go ahead and let's just take a look at this from the sidebar perspective as well. So we'll go to my test course and we'll go to a lesson. Doesn't matter which lesson because the lesson sidebar is with everything. We've got that footer course. Let's go ahead and let's launch this one. This one here is the non-tin can enabled course. So if we look here, go back to LifterLMS xAPI. This is this course here. Okay, so this is the name of it. It's called Airport Rampage. So let's go ahead and let's launch Airport Rampage. Again, this course is not an xAPI enabled course, but I am actually giving it xAPI abilities. Although they're not elaborate, they're minimum abilities. Okay? Alright, so it has now reported what I've just done, even though it's not supposed to. It was never built to report anything, but through the magic of LifterLMS xAPI, we can see Dennis Hall opened the non-xAPI enabled storyline course. So it worked. So we're actually reporting this course. And we're assigning it a competency. So now if I even though it's non-xAPI enabled, there's a competency assigned to it. So not only have we allowed non-xAPI content to be trackable in LifterLMS xAPI, but we've also been able to assign competencies to that non-xAPI course. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.